Hi, my name is Stephanie Cleary. I'm about to show you my culminating project for EDT 520 this semester. I'm using Screencast-O-Matic for my screen recording, and I added the video portion to it, which is stepping out of my comfort zone a little bit. This is the website that I created for my Introduction to Business course, and I've posted all of the information to this website for you to take a look at for the project. Basically, this course is brand new for me, and I am aligning it with York County Community College. We are using a book called Foundations of Business, which will be nice because the students will have access to the book online, and they will be able to highlight and annotate in the book through the online resource. So I'm excited to be using this book, and it looks like this. If you wanted to see it. I do have a Google Classroom page, and I added the code for you to access the page so you could take a look at some of the information that I've posted there. On my website, though, I have put links to my unit design outline, which is a Google Doc, my unit design overview, which is the write-up for the project, my example for the career assessment, and I do still have to create a rubric for that example. And then I posted standards, which are also on all of the documents, which I have most of them open right now on my computer, as you can see. And I also posted essential questions and learning outcomes for the first chapter. Really, we're using the first 3 chapters for the overall unit, but for this purpose, I'm using chapter 1 as a mini unit. So just to kind of take a look at my unit outline, my mini unit outline here, what I've done is I have created objectives for every class. We have 2 80-minute classes per week and 1 45-minute class on Fridays, and that's a new schedule for York High School. I have put links to all of the activities that we'll be doing in class and all of the assignments that I am going to give my students. I posted homework as well. And so you can go ahead and take a look at that. I also created a Pear Deck discussion for one of the days, and for those of you who haven't used Pear Deck before, you can kind of see that it's a nice option for discussions. So for example, for this discussion, it's like an opinion spectrum. So students have a computer. In my classroom has 18 computers. So students are going to kind of drag the dot as to where they stand on this topic. So I've created quite a few slides, as you can see, to kind of do a quick overview of the reading that they've done and just have some discussions. Some of them are free response texts, and some of them are opinion spectrum questions. So it's kind of nice. I like to use Pear Deck a lot. Students seem to like it to just kind of get the class discussion started. So I'll take you over into my Google Classroom page, and this is where I have posted resources for students to find articles, because every Friday we will be doing an article review. I have also posted some additional readings and resources for students to explore. My whole idea of trying to do a flipped classroom, I'm not sure is going to work, but I like the fact that students can kind of explore some of these resources on their own and find some new resources as well. I have also posted all of their assignments, and you can kind of see that most of them they're all Google Docs that they can access. I've given each student a copy of the document, and I will be using this website, this Google Classroom in my class as well. So just kind of going back to my website, you'll find all the information for the project here. And like I said, you have access to the Google Classroom that I just showed you. And I have posted the career assessment, which is my example. I've created a Padlet example, and I've also filled out the Google Doc that I assigned to students. And the last thing that I do have to do is create a rubric for that assignment. So I've also posted the standards for business and ISTE, so you could take a look at them. And I am looking forward to receiving some of your feedback. Thank you.